Hello, my name is Lynette Fields, and I am the Scholastic Book Fair chairperson for Daegu American School this year. As you may or may not know, starting next month, we will be transitioning from paper flyers and online orders to online orders only. So I'm creating this tutorial to help parents with the transition and to show them how easy it is to use the website. And don't forget that any purchases you make through Scholastic helps DOS PTO help the school or help the teachers because we use the points to purchase books for the classrooms at Daegu American School and the library. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is go to scholastic.com/reading club, and it'll take you to this page. If you have already created an account, all you do is put in the email you used to create the account plus the password that you created. If you have not created an account yet, what you need to do is click on connect to your teacher. And here is where you will put in the class code because kindergarten through middle school has a class code connected to the account that we use. So I'm going to just use second grade. So the second grade class code is LM8DV. And as you can see, this is first grade PTO, Daegu American School, school location, APOAP. So all of it's correct. Yes. And then we go and create an account. And here you just fill out your first, last name, what email address you would like connected to this account, plus a password. And you see the parameters for the password. You can also add your phone number, which is optional. You really don't have to do that. For sure, you have to have the email or whatever, but not the phone number. Then you click on that you have read the terms of use after reading it and the privacy policy after reading it. Once you do that, you click continue, and then you will put in your child's name and you can also add another child to the account if you have more than one child going to Daegu American School. So once you create an account, then what you are going to do, let's see, I'm just going to create a little fake account. So we're just going to go with the old generic Joan Smith, and her email address is going to be Joan Smith at Gmail. And the password, yes, I read them both, and continue. And our child's name is going to be John Smith in second grade. And then we're going to add. Once you've added your child and you see all of the information is correct, you click on Get Started. And as you can see, once you get past when you click Get Started, it takes you to the ordering page, and it has like this little information to kind of show you how to navigate the site, which I'll X out of it. Now, before you get to looking through the books and everything, go ahead and set up your billing and payment. And so there's nothing on file, of course, for this child, so we're going to add a card. And when you add the card, you just put in the card information, your credit card information, the security code, expiration date, all of that, billing information. And as you can see, it says United States, and it's asking for the state. But once you put in the zip code that's attached to the APO address, then it fills out this for you. It puts in the Armed Forces specific and the APO. And like I said, it has the phone number thing down here. If you want to use that, you don't have to. And then all of the other information, and then you save it. So when you go to order books, it'll come out of your credit card. Okay. Now let's since we're not going to do this right now, we're just going to cancel. And let's go to how you can shop for books. You can shop by grade. So even though this is set up for a second grader, maybe you have a sixth grader and you want to go ahead and get his books at the same time. You can just go and look at what the sixth grade has. You can also shop by collection and you see the different selections that it has. Or you can shop by flyer. So if something happened to the flyer that I sent out, or for some reason you don't have a flyer, which next month you're not going to have a flyer anyway. All of the flyers will be online. Right now there's September flyers, but once October starts, you'll see October flyers on here. And once again, you can go through the different grade levels. You don't have to stick to necessarily the class that you originally signed up with. You can go from second. You can look at the sixth grader flyer. And it should pull up in just a second. My internet is kind of wonky right now. So here's the sixth grade flyer that I already sent out this month. And it's loading. And as you can see, you can navigate through the pages. It's really easy. Once you see something that you like or that your child likes and really wants, you just click on the title and it gives you a closer look at it. Tells you the format, like it's a paperback, and how many do you want. You add it to your cart and then you check out. Very simple. So that is basically it. I just wanted to have something that parents can kind of visually see how they can order and how simple it is. Um, I hope I've answered most of your questions. If you have any other questions, you can contact me through my email. Thank you.